Hello, beautiful people. Remember back here with another delicious and simple recipe, and of course, giving you useful tips and tricks. If this is your first time, hi there, you're welcome to join us. Please hit the subscribe button and let's have fun together. Today's recipe is this delicious Nigerian fried rice that doesn't spoil quickly. I want to show you how I make it to last well. I'd like to say a quick thank you to my sister Sheon for helping out with making this video. Let me take you through the ingredients quickly. I will also leave the ingredient list and exact measurement in the description down below, so do make sure to check it out. I have sweet corn, diced carrots, just to mention that I have washed and cleaned all my vegetables. Green peas, I particularly love this one because the color stays the same, they're yummier, the seeds are tiny. Green and red bell pepper. Diced liver, which is quite common with Nigerian fried rice, but you can totally leave it out if you don't like it or if you don't have it, or substitute with chicken. Garlic paste, I don't like ginger in my fried rice, so I usually just leave it out. Spring onions. Rosemary, you can replace this with thyme. This is turmeric and a little of it goes a long way. I'll be adding this for color and I won't be using curry in this recipe. I have 1 onion. Vegetable oil. I used this to fry chicken earlier, and that is why you can see some particles in it. I have this stock which I just brought out of my freezer. I never throw them away. Stock cubes and salt. I have washed rice. So let's begin. But before we go on, please make sure you subscribe if you have not done that, okay? Please. Alright, I'll add some oil in the pot, not too much, since we're still going to be frying. Add my chopped onions. Let that fry for just a little bit. Garlic paste. Please don't fry this for too long so it doesn't burn. About half a teaspoon of rosemary. You really don't need too much of this. A little turmeric as well, not too much. Meat stock. I will add more water to cook the rice. I will add seasoning cubes, salt, 3 bay leaves. Sorry, I forgot to show you this one. I will cover and allow it to boil. Time to add the rice. I will cover with a foil to trap in steam. That way the rice cooks very well and we don't get to use much water. To prepare the vegetables, I added a little oil in a pan. And to that I'll add my carrots. I'll fry this for 1 minute. Now I'll add the red and green bell peppers. Look at how beautifully the colors are coming together. Alright, so please subscribe if you have not, and also don't forget to give me a thumbs up, okay? Adding sweet corn, diced liver. Nigerian fried rice is so beautiful and delicious that if the vegetables are sufficient, I really don't like fried rice with scanty vegetables, where you can almost count the number of diced carrots, the green peas, and you can already tell that this one is going to be so rich. I will add a little salt to improve the taste of the vegetables. Checking on the rice, it's looking good but not well done. But before I cover it again, I will add the green peas so it can cook alongside. Five minutes later, and ooh, look at the color. The rice is done, soft, and the green peas is well cooked as well. Just take a look at the color. There is no curry in this rice, no curry at all, just turmeric, which by the way is great. So I reduce the vegetables in the pan so I can add some rice and fry. The amount of vegetables I have here, I can't even use it up today. I'm sure I'll still have some left for tomorrow. So I'm adding some of the cooked rice into the pan containing vegetables, and I will fry this. So guys, this is exactly where we're going to. There's really no need to mix all the vegetables with the rice if you're not going to eat everything up immediately. I am just going to make enough to serve my family for dinner, and I'm going to just keep the rest of the vegetables in the refrigerator. Even if you decide to mix everything up at once, but you fry it in batches like this, trust me, nothing is going to happen to it. Just make sure to cover slightly so that you can let off steam and discontinue the cooking process. And finally, I'll add the spring onions, since the spring onions is delicate. And I'll fry for 1 or 2 more minutes, and that's it. Fried rice, delicious Nigerian fried rice is ready. Is ready. Look at how beautiful it is. This rice is so delicious, and I'm sure that if you try it this way, look at it. Look at rice. Not mushy at all, yet very soft, and that's because we didn't add too much water when we were cooking the rice. I wish you could have a taste of this, seriously. So please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, because I have a feeling that you really like this. So please express that by giving me a thumbs up, okay? And I want you to try this out and tell me how it goes, okay? And please subscribe. I have great plans for your time here. Let me show you what this rice looks like the second day. This is it. I simply brought out my rice, heat it up, add my vegetables, and it's as good as new. This way your fried rice will not spoil. I'd like to thank you for joining me today. God bless you. Thank you so much, and I'll see you again with another fantastic recipe. Bye.